อร่อย สวัสดีค่ะ Today I think you will love my video because my mother said she's going to cook a meal that I really love because she knows that I love this one very much. It's called Tao Jiao Lon. Tao Jiao Lon. I know it sounds very funny. It sounds like Chinese language, right? Tao Jiao. I think Tao Jiao is also like a Chinese word, but Tao Jiao Lon, I love it. The reason that I love it is because of it's healthy food. And I think something like this, local Thai food like this, tourists will be scared. Why scared? Because it looks not quite interesting. But if you have a chance, I think if you try once, you will try more. Tao Jiao Lon. Are you interested? Follow me. Let's see what she wants. Just got something. She wants onion. Yes. Like this. Oops. And she wants cucumber. I think let's get it all from her. Okay. Go. Yes, this is juice. In this video, I think I will just explain like a voice-over later as well because I want to be part of these activities. And then if you have any question how to cook, you can ask me again later. But before I started to help my mother to cook, look at my clothes. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God, so colorful. And this is what my sister, she bought it for me. This kind of clothes is like a grandma. This is what old people wear. Look at this. Very colorful, but whatever. I don't care. It looks pretty nice color, so whatever. Today I went to the market and I went to buy vegetable. I have to wear a mask. People couldn't guess if I'm old or young. Everyone called me auntie. Anyway, let me go help my mother. Tao Jiao Lon today.
This is the most important thing for this meal, a fermented soybean. I bought it from the market and my mother said, please don't buy like a bottle one from the mall. She wants me to buy in a local market just because she wants to cook it by herself. We're just getting ready with the fresh vegetable. Just cut it nicely and after that just put it in the fridge just to make it crunchy, and when it's cold, vegetable is going to be fresh and crunchy and it's going to be very yummy when we're just ready to eat it.
She wants me to get onion. This is lemongrass. This is onion. Oh, good to have it. That's a lot. Would you kill me?
This is the fun part that I can't explain how much I'm so happy to just pick the vegetable in our garden and then we just eat it our own vegetable from the farm. This is a shrimp that I bought from the market as the pork. And then we need to cook as a minced pork, and we usually don't buy a minced pork in the market. We usually buy a meat, and then whatever we want to cook, if it needs to be minced pork, we just chop it by ourselves. And after that, we just have to clean the fermented soybean. We got to clean for many times because we know that the taste of soybean is very salty. Soybean is just like a pickle food. So we just have to make sure that it's cleaned and it's not too salty. And then we have to smash it.
This is tamarind. And we're going to make a tamarind juice. This one, tamarind. Coconut juice.
And this is the coconut milk. And then we just have to put the fermented soybean mixing with the coconut milk. And after that we just have to be ready to starting to cook.
Yeah, look at this. Hey, I'm stirring. Hey, look. We just have to wait until it's boiled. After it's boiled, we're going to be ready to cook. Again, what we use is coconut milk and fermented soybean. Is that right? It's so difficult to say this word. Can I say Tao Jiao? And again, we have the tamarind sauce and coconut sugar. And coconut sugar. If you've seen my video, the previous video, you have seen we use it for cooking a lot. In Thailand, we usually use coconut sugar for cooking a lot. Right.
น้ำตาลเตนด้วยเนี่ย
ใช่ And for the taste of the Tao Jiao Lon, it has to be 3 tastes altogether. First one is a salty taste and sugar, sweet from the sugar, coconut sugar, and also sour taste from tamarind sauce. It's gonna be like all mixed together, and then you have to just keep tasting. Again. Oh my god, hot.
อร่อยอ่ะ
เปรี้ยวไปปะเปรี้ยวไปปะ
ไม่รู้เลย
เปรี้ยวๆเค็มๆอ่ะ
ใช่ก็จะหวานตัดลงไปหน่อยน้ำตัดหน่อยก็จบแล้ว
แม่ลองชิมดิ
หวานใส่หน่อย
It's a bit sour, so if it's a little bit too sour, you put some little more sugar.
อร่อยดี
It's heaven. It's heaven. Heaven.
อร่อยนะพี่แตง
อร่อย 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 อันนี้คือ Good. Okay, it's all ready and it looks so good. Right now I'm going to show you how to eat it. I mean, how to eat it is very easy. You just put it on your mouth, right? We usually eat with rice, but I'm just waiting for rice to be ready, but I can't wait. Just it looks so yummy, and right now is cool now, just because of I leave it for a while. Otherwise, too hot. How we eat is we usually, if we stay home at home, we just pick it by hand like this. But if you are with the guests, you need to have a fork and spoon and then take them here. I mean, not like my hand. I don't have a fork here. So let me explain to you. You just tear and do whatever size, and then put this on the top. Put on the top. And yes. Yes. Yes, and then it's so good. It's so good. And then we eat with rice. At the same time, we eat with rice and do like this, one at a time. With the cucumber, we put on the top, and then usually we eat it together with rice as well. The reason, let me finish. The reason that I love Tao Jiao Lon very much. First of all, I like kind of bean or peanut kind of things like that. I really love it. And the taste of this kind of food, first of all, most importantly, is not spicy. I don't like something, I can eat spicy, but not like too spicy to enjoy another kind of flavor. So we have like this kind of chili is not spicy at all. Putting it like this, and it just makes me feel like just a little so mild spice. And also another thing that I really like is it's very rich. Rich of this taste is just because of the coconut milk. It's very rich, and also it's sour. It's sour from the tamarind sauce. If you have tried pad thai before, you probably wonder like, it's sour, but it's different kind of sour, and exactly the same, because we also use the tamarind sauce for this one, and also sweetness of the coconut sugar, and all mixed together, so it's blend with the sour, rich, sweet, and a bit of salty. I can't feel salty anymore right now. It's kind of sour taste from the tamarind sauce more. So I think one of the reasons that you don't really know about Tao Jiao Lon like this is probably complicated. I don't know why, but when you go to the big restaurant, especially like a Thai local restaurant, you would probably find it. But I don't know, just like I don't think you will find it a lot, especially I think it's probably because of the color and the look. It looks nice. And maybe some kind of smell, but not smelly. It smells of the fermented soybean. It's probably make you feel like you don't get used to, but the taste is super good. So if you come to Thailand, or if you can try to make it at your house. If you are anywhere, if you have enough ingredient and also vegetable, it can be anything, and I really love it because of I like to eat raw vegetable. It's good for health for us as well. So this is one of the dish that I highly recommend you when you come to Thailand. This is central of Thailand food. So if you don't know where to find it, cook it by yourself. Or you can come here. I will ask my mother to cook, or if you don't mind, I will try to cook for you if you're not scared. Anyway, I hope you learned something more about Thailand today, and if you think it's useful, please give me a thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, because I still have many things about my country to share with you. And if you are appreciated with my information, you feel like you want to support my channel, you want to buy me a coffee, you can have a look in the description how to buy me a coffee. And for today, thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you next time very soon. สวัสดีค่ะ Usually I eat like this.